prosumer is a person who consumes what they themselves produce. Instead of selling it, it's for their own use or for their kids or for giving out free.
I think one of the ways we talked about on the plane, which was so fascinating to me because of my business, you talked about the future, people basically producing their own newscasts. They wouldn't take what an establishment offered them. They would pick and choose through a computer what they're interested in. We, of course, see that today on the Internet.
And not only that, make their own in the blogs.
Right.
And a terrific example of the prosuming is this guy somewhere in Finland. He doesn't like the software his company has given him to do some work with and says, I'm going to write a better operating system. And as a hobby, he does, and out comes Linux, which is freely available, the source code of which he makes freely available. Thousands of programmers all over the world volunteer their time and effort, and they create new software that is scaring the pants off Microsoft and all the giant companies out there. Did it without money. So there's a lot of activity going on that doesn't show up on originally doesn't show up on the Economist's cash register, but is very important for the economy.